Welcome to day 12 of 31 days of Halloween themed prints. In order for me to receive this Halloween themed trophy, in order for me to do that, I have to find a design, slice it, print it, film it, edit it, upload it on a daily basis for the month of October. Now normally we don't do this type of content. What we got going on here at Cosine Additive is large scale 3D prints, extruder, software, and even industrial grade 3D printer sales. If you guys are interested in any of those, there's a link in the description box below to check out what we got going on. So today we have the Derelict from Prometheus. The reason this is so special today is because we also have a project with the same name as the film, Prometheus. Without further ado, let's go ahead and hop in with this print today. So this is also a half print. Now there is a base that can go with this print that can actually be held up as a display. With me doing the daily content for the channel, I went ahead and just printed half because we have a lot more days to go. That's all I have to say about the Derelict. If you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below what you guys think tomorrow's video is going to be about, and subscribe to the channel as we are growing a consistent basis of content. There were trial and error, what we think would be good as a large scale print, and leaving comments is going to be the best feedback that we can get to see what you guys would like to see on a large scale format, as well as if you guys would like to see any of these done post-processed and painted or anything like that, that will also help kind of continue these projects from this month. But without further ado, I'll catch you guys on tomorrow's video.